Hi, my name is Clark. Welcome to my channel and my home here in San Francisco. Let me show you around. I wanted to start this channel because I've always loved the way a house can tell a story. Not just how it looks, but how it feels when people are in it. For me, home is about more than design or recipes on their own. It's about how decoration, food, and entertaining all come together to shape the way we live. My mission is to celebrate the art of living well at home through thoughtful decoration, cooking and baking, and meaningful entertaining. This is my dining room. It's very white right now, which I may love or not love, I can't decide. I think of myself as a curator of my own taste, not a perfectionist or a professional, drawing inspiration from my Southern upbringing and my life here in San Francisco. I grew up in Atlanta, surrounded by these incredible Southern women who had the most beautiful layered homes. That spirit of hospitality still guides me today, and I get that from my mother, who loved to host. She used to say there was no better feeling than when the house was perfectly party ready just before guests arrive, to the moment spent laying out the spread, setting the vibe, and bringing people together. Now I live in San Francisco, building a life here with my husband, creating a home that feels personal, collected, and welcoming. Sometimes it'll be about decorating, sometimes it'll be about food, sometimes it'll just be about setting a table, throwing a party, or finding small ways to make everyday moments feel a little bit more special. At the end of the day, this is just my home and the things I love to do in it. If you enjoy watching, learning something new, or just hanging out for a few minutes, I'm really glad you're here. You're always welcome.